So I went into the used trucks and I found this Haterbilt Viper, which is the exact truck that I'm wanting for just over 50 grand, only has 12,000 miles and is in good shape. So I'm going to see if I can get a loan and we can't just get our truck for him to start and we'll make money a little bit faster. This would get us a truck. We could make a little bit more money for ourselves. Mhm. But we can buy us a really nice truck. Ah, come on. You know it goes in the first slot. Why would it not? Okay, we have our first truck. And we'll see about upgrading this thing, repairing it, and so on and so forth. See what money we have left. Let's have some fun. It would cost me $3,000 to service it. And now we have $54,000 left. Let's see. Well, I think that's it. We have a very beautiful truck. Hopefully this is the right engine that I usually use with it. How about that? We are $100,000 in debt, but we got a truck. And now it's time to get the trucking. Started making money. Ah, I wish I would have gotten that window taken out. Let me see. I'll probably have to move. Yeah, sounds pretty good. Okay. Now let's see if we can get rid of that rear mirror, or rear window, hopefully. Let's see. How do I get rid of that rear window? There we go. That's what I wanted. An extra 200 bucks, but let's see. Can we go to the bank now? I wish we could pay parts of it down, but guess we just gotta go make some money. Okay, now we got our truck. How about that? Well, let's go get a job. Let's just do a shorter trip since we made our truck, and let's get it rolling.
Okay, here we go. Make sure you put your seatbelt on now.
Oh yeah. Hot snot, we are back in business.
Turn right.
We are back in business.
Get ready to turn right. Turn right. It's all over now. Time to get the job done.
Let's go get our trailer.
Now you drive safely here. Turn left. Get ready to turn right. Turn right. Keep right, and then turn right. Turn right. Keep left, and then turn left. Turn left. Now keep left there.
Real quick. Whoops. Yeah, that wasn't real quick. Let me see. Right here. I need to. I need my seat to go down. I think something like that should do. Something like that. Okay, now let's go. Now we're good. Now I can see better.
Turn left. Turn left.
The road
Thank
is
you,
closed.
cutie. Keep right, and then turn right. Finding a new route.
We're going to turn around as soon as we get these cars out of our way. Don't mind me.
Keep right, and then turn right.
Like, see, the road is literally
Turn
like
right.
blocked off. I don't know, we've got it made.
Keep right, and then exit right. Exit right. Ready to turn right. Turn right. Go straight on. That's right.
I hate these lights. Why can't they incorporate smart light systems into this game? Sure, it wouldn't be that hard. You'll hear me whine about that a lot.
Keep right, and then turn right. Turn right.
not. You did not tell me to turn left into that thing. Okay, it'll give us more experience, and we need a lot of experience so we can level up. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun, ain't it? It might not be that bad. Well, we delivered our first load in our new truck. We got to Sioux City, and I guess there we shall be.